Hello everyone! Welcome back to Healthy Life, your channel for physical and mental wellness. Today, we'll be talking about one of the most common fitness questions. What is better, exercising in the morning or in the evening? Both have amazing benefits, and depending on your goals, one might be better for you than the other. So stay with me till the end, because we'll compare the two and help you choose the best time for your body and lifestyle. Let's start with morning workouts, a favorite for early risers and busy people. There are some amazing benefits to exercising in the morning. First, it boosts your energy for the whole day. When you start your day with exercise, your blood circulation improves, oxygen flows to your brain, and your energy levels rise. You'll feel more awake, focused, and ready to handle whatever challenges the day throws at you. Second, it improves your mood and mental health. Morning exercise releases endorphins, which are your body's natural happy hormones. They reduce stress, anxiety, and feelings of depression, helping you stay positive and upbeat throughout the day. It's like a natural mood lifter to start your day right. Third, it helps with better consistency and self-discipline. Let's be honest. As the day goes on, unexpected things pop up. A late meeting, a call from a friend, or just feeling tired after work. People who work out in the morning are often more likely to stick to their routine, simply because there are fewer distractions and excuses early in the day. It builds a powerful habit. Fourth, morning workouts can help with weight control. Some research suggests that exercising in the morning can increase your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently all day long, even when you're resting. It essentially jumpstarts your body's fat-burning engine. And finally, it can improve your sleep quality. Studies show that morning exercise can help regulate your body clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. This can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest at night. Better sleep leads to better days, creating a positive cycle. So, if you're looking for discipline, a consistent energy boost, and better focus, morning workouts might be the perfect fit for you. Now, let's talk about evening workouts. These are great for people who just are UNT morning types, or who prefer to train after work or school lets out. Let's explore why evening exercise can be equally beneficial. First off, your body is already warmed up. In the evening, your muscles are naturally more flexible. Your body temperature is higher, and your reaction time is quicker. This means you can often perform better physically, whether that's lifting heavier weights, running faster, or pushing harder during your workout. You're essentially at your physical peak. Second, it's a fantastic way to relieve stress from the day. After a long, busy day at work or school, your mind can be buzzing with thoughts and tension. Exercising in the evening provides a healthy outlet to release all that built-up stress and relax your mind. It's a great way to transition from your hectic day to a calm, peaceful evening. Third, it can improve your strength and endurance. Many studies show that athletes often perform better in the evening. This is because factors like reaction time, flexibility, and stamina tend to peak later in the day. So if your goal is to break a personal record or build serious muscle, training in the evening might give you that extra edge. Fourth, it makes social workouts easier. It can be tough to coordinate schedules for a 6 a.m. workout with a friend. But in the evening, it's often much easier to join a gym class, meet up with a workout buddy, or play a team sport. Working out with others can make it more fun, more motivating, and something you look forward to. And fifth, it can support better sleep for some people. Now, this depends on the type of workout. For those who enjoy light to moderate exercises like yoga, stretching, or a gentle bike ride, an evening session can help you relax and prepare your body for a good night's sleep. Just be careful not to do a super intense workout right before bed, as that can sometimes have the opposite effect. So, if you're aiming for better performance, more strength, or a powerful way to de-stress, evening workouts could be your best choice. Now for the big question, which is better, morning or evening exercise? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on your body, your schedule, and your specific goals. Let's do a quick summary to make it simple. If your main goal is weight loss and building discipline, the consistency of morning workouts might be best. If you're focused on muscle building and peak performance, your body might respond better to evening workouts. For stress relief and improving flexibility, evenings are also a great choice. And for boosting your daily energy and improving your sleep cycle, mornings have the advantage. But here's the most important takeaway. What truly matters is consistency. It is far better to exercise regularly at a time that's good enough for you than to skip workouts waiting for the perfect time that never comes. The best time to work out is the one that fits your lifestyle, the time you can actually enjoy, and most importantly, stick with every single day. Listen to your body and honor your schedule. So, whether you love the fresh air of early mornings or the calm focus of the evenings, the most important thing is this: move your body every day. Exercise isn't just about physical fitness, it's about mental clarity, emotional balance, and living a longer, happier life. So find your best time, stay consistent, and let your body thank you for it. Thank you for watching Healthy Life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more wellness tips every week. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. See you in the next video.